animals like vertebrates like fishes. Single circulation will be taken place. Single means the heart receives the blood only one time. The heart receives the blood only one time. Normally fishes, they are having the gills as respiratory organs, and the heart is two-chambered heart. Two-chambered heart. Here this is what the atrium, this is what the ventricle. So when the heart receives the deoxygenated blood from all the body parts, from the tail region, abdomen region and intestines and all, when the deoxygenated blood enters into the heart, atrium, it will be sent to the ventricle. Ventricle sends the blood to the gills. The blood gets oxygenated by the gills, and the oxygenated blood will be supplied to all the body parts. Again, this oxygenated blood will not reach to the heart again. That is what it is called as only single circulation. We are able to find this in the fishes. Now, let us discuss the double circulation. Examples are amphibians means frogs, reptiles, snakes and lizards. All the birds belongs to the class A's, and the mammals like us. So, in all these classes, we are able to find the double circulation will be taken place. If you consider, there is a four-chambered heart for the human beings. This is the right auricle, left auricle, right ventricle, left ventricle. So, right auricle receives the blood from all the body part, that to deoxygenated blood. That is what it is represented with blue color. So, deoxygenated blood received by the right auricle, and the left auricle at the same time it receives the pure blood from the lungs. Here these are lungs. So lungs, they are purifying the blood. Oxygenated blood, it enters into the left auricle through pulmonary veins. So here in one circulation, heart receives twice the blood, so it is called as double circulation. It happens in one is amphibian, second one reptiles, third one apes and the mammals. Let us discuss regarding the cardiac cycle. It is comprising of one systole and one diastole. Systole means contraction phase, and diastole means relaxation phase. This is what contraction, this is what relaxation. So in this, let us see that there are different steps. The first step is imaginary relaxation of atria and ventricles. Remember that all the four chambers, two atria and two ventricles, at a time they will not go for contraction. Here the first step is imaginary relaxation of atria and ventricles. At a time all these they will go for relaxation. Next, blood flows into atria. So here from the anterior parts, superior vena cava, and from posterior parts, inferior vena cava, they used to bring the blood and pumps the blood into that right auricle. At the same time, left auricle receives the blood from lungs through pulmonary veins. So this is what the blood flows into atria. When it receives the blood, next step is contraction of atria. When these right auricle and the left auricle, when they goes for contraction, the blood rushes into the right ventricle and the left ventricle through tricuspid valve and the bicuspid valve. Contraction of atria, flow of blood into ventricles. So already ventricles, they receive the impure blood here and the pure blood here. Next step is contraction of ventricles. When the two ventricles, when they goes for contraction, then to prevent the backward, see when these two chambers, when they go for contraction, there is a chance of moving the blood in this direction. But to prevent that opposite direction blood flow, here tricuspid valve will be closed, here bicuspid valve also will be closed. So at that time we used to get a loud sound called lup. Next, when these two, after contraction again, relaxation will be taken place by the two ventricles. That is what? Relaxation of ventricles, the closing of arterial valves leads to dub sound. Here we know that the pulmonary aorta takes its origin here, and here systemic aorta takes its origin here. So when these two, they allow the blood to move in this direction through semilunar valves. When these two ventricles, when they go for relaxation, there is a chance of again coming back the blood from the arteries, but it is not happening because here three semilunar valves will prevent the backward flow. So when they start closing the semilunar valves, at that time feeble sound will come, that is what dub sound. So single cardiac cycle 0.8 seconds it will take, and atrial contraction it takes nearly 0.11 to 0.14 seconds. Here ventricular contraction it takes 0.27 to 0.35 seconds. So the rest of the time span it is for relaxation of atria and ventricles. This is what we are going to learn in this cardiac cycle.